Hey guys, welcome back. DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Forex Shark related projects. And today's video, it's the market overview, the update to the crypto market and consolidation, and kind of like I did on the previous video of the news update. So I'm going to be doing that again for you guys because a lot of you said you found it helpful. So I'm going to be trying to pack as much in this video as possible and keep it consolidated. There's about 12 articles that I'm going to be blowing straight through. So without further ado, let's jump into what we'll be discussing: the recent bankruptcy filings of Genesis Capital, the potential fall of more unregulated crypto exchanges, the current state of Bitcoin in the market, and new blockchain project aiming to be the Swift of stablecoins and CBDCs. So let's jump straight in. First, let's talk about Genesis Capital. As you may know, they recently filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, which allows them to seek reorganization of debts, assets, and other business activities. Their parent company, Digital Currency Group, has stated that a special committee of independent directors recommended and decided to file bankruptcy and that they were not involved in the decision. It's important to note that only Genesis lending entities have filed for bankruptcy and their trading entities will remain open. Speaking of bankruptcies, over to SBF, he could forfeit up to $700 million if found guilty of fraud, including the $55 million shares of Robinhood he's been trying to gain access to. Which leads us to the VCs that are being questioned reference the FTX meltdown by the CFTC commissioners. So they are being held liable or potentially liable and due to so, and want to get some questions answered. And our friend Kevin O'Leary, Shark Tank investor, has warned against the possible fall of additional crypto exchanges, stating that there will be another meltdown to zero and that it will happen over and over again until there is some regulation in the space. This comes after a report by the National Bureau of Economic Research stating that up to 70% of trading volume on unregulated exchanges is wash trading. Just a quick message, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. This helps bring brand awareness to the channel as well as all Forex Shark related projects. Thank you. We know that he has a hard-on for Binance. But moving over to Bitcoin and the current state of the Bitcoin market, the signals that investors are primarily focusing on basically are leveraging between bull and bear cases, which is somewhat less optimistic than expected considering the recent rally to 22,000. However, the derivatives data puts the bullish case in check as buyers using stablecoin margins significantly reduce their leverage, and option markets are pricing similar risk for either side. So what does all that mean? The TLDR is that no one knows which way this thing will end up. So both sides are fighting and it's kind of trading sideways for now, so we will see. On to a new development. A Chinese blockchain company, Red Date Technology, has launched a digital payment system under the Universal Digital Payment Network, which is aimed at bridging the gap between stablecoins and central bank digital currencies. So the UDPN is a distributed ledger technology platform that would serve a similar purpose to what Swift network does for banks, but this will be for stablecoins and CBDCs. Now, don't know if this is going to be good or bad, but the fact that it's being developed and the Chinese are heading it up and they want their slice of the Swift pie, we will see where this goes. But regulations will support central bank digital currencies and stablecoin as well. So there's a number of global tier 1 banks already involved in the use case proof of concept to test the network in cross-border transfers and swaps. However, those proof of concepts were not disclosed, so we don't know which banks those were. The network white paper states that it only supports CBDCs and regulated fiat-backed stablecoin currencies. Don't know if that will be USDC, USDT, or BUSD, but those are definitely the top 3 fiat-backed stablecoins. And they will not support any unregulated public chain cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Binance. So speaking of Swift and Binance, Binance Swift banking partner is set to ban USD trades below 100K. Binance stressed that credit and debit card payments will continue to be accepted and that the ban will only affect bank transfers to Binance. Binance has also announced that it will be providing over 30,000 scholarships for students interested in Web3 technology in 2023 through its philanthropic arm, Binance Charity. The Binance Charity Scholar Program will provide free education training courses to tech-savvy students to help them acquire necessary skills without having to face financial barriers. The program will be provided in partnership with leading universities, colleges, and vocational training providers worldwide. So, in summary, the crypto market is still facing challenges with the Genesis Capital filing for bankruptcy and the potential fall of additional unregulated crypto exchanges, but Bitcoin is showing signs of strength with a recent price increase, and the new blockchain project, the UDPN, that China is implementing could spell some potential relief in the crypto markets through this year. Now, don't know how that will shape up for DeFi, but I think DeFi will be left standing, and there's going to be a lot of assets that get shaken out. But I think Binance will still be able to weather the storm because they are regulated in multiple other countries. May not work very well for US citizens, so you guys might need to buckle up and get a VPN. Not sure how that's going to work out, but we'll see. So that was a lot of information to take in, but I hope you found the information informative and interesting. And it's clear that the crypto world is constantly evolving with new developments and challenges that are rising all the time. But one thing's for sure, it's never a dull moment in the crypto space. And on that note, you guys know the drill. Smash that HBO special, help brother out with like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you found any of this valuable, you know the drill. And until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.